So Dean, does this get you Tradie tough tick of approval?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Fantastic.
Sounds good. Hey Tradies, we're back on another Tradie Tough Test, and today I'm on site with Dean from Outlook Electrical. Dean, how you doing?
Good mate, how you going?
Good, thank you. And today we're testing out the new Fluke 1674 FC Multifunction Tester. So Dean, we've put this one in your hands a little bit this morning. How's it gone so far with just all the testing?
Mate, it's been fantastic. At the moment we're doing our mandatory testing and more. We've uploaded it straight to the app and we've logged all our data.
One of the biggest things about this tester is going to be the data entry and the fact that it can write your reports for you, and it can do all your major tests automatically, so you're not going to have to manually fill them out. Now, a big feature of the 1674 that Fluke's really focused on is their true test software. So for an electrician like yourself, Dane, what does this one mean?
This is the bee's knees. We've tested, we've recorded, we've now sent the data straight to our app, and we have it on record, on file. If anything ever goes wrong, we have it all here. Electricians, you can add this onto your certificates through the ESV portal. And just to throw it in there, there's 12 different languages. If you know more than English, you can go for it.
100%. It is an extremely comprehensive tester. That's what we love about this tester. It's just going to do all the heavy lifting for you. It looks quite comfy to test with, Dean. How is it? How are the ergonomics?
Fantastic. Not only we have the straps here, we've got the back support here. You know, obviously your leads are long enough, you can just put it over your shoulders. Not dropping leads, not tripping. Great item to work with.
Now, one thing we really want to dial in on is the auto test with this 1674, because the auto testing on this is phenomenal. What you can do is you can take any different test that you're going to run at, any different job, and you can add it into a preset. You can have multiple presets, and as soon as you get to the job, say it's a regular job like this one is, Dean, you just click auto test and it's going to run all those tests for you, and then it's going to log it all automatically, so you're not going to have to sit there logging it manually either. That is a massive time saver for you tradies out there. All right, now Dane, are there any more standout features on this 1674 for you?
Yeah, so we have our 6 milliamp Type B RCD testing, monitoring, testing, and we also have our surge protection monitoring as well.
Well, tradies, without further ado, it is time to test the tester. Try and wrap your head around that one, but we're going to go give this one a test. Dean, you ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Cool. For our client, we're just going to monitor the voltage at the moment. So we're going to connect our prongs. So our test results here are showing 233 volts, and it also records the hertz. So we're running at 50 hertz here. So if we want to save this result, it's just a simple little touch of save, and then that brings you to your project. This is our client's project at Office 11. Our distribution board, so we're at DB1. This is circuit breaker number 2, so we're going to save this. That being saved, we can send that to our app, and the data is now stored.
And how long will that normally take you without a Fluke tester?
You'd have to write down every single recording, and then someone in the office would have to type it all up. Essentially, we're saving probably a few hours just in one hit.
All right, so Dean, you run a little test on the voltage with the Fluke tester. How'd it go?
Went well. We recorded our results with the True Test software, and we sent it straight to the app, and we recorded all our data. We're going to present it to our client. It's going to be a proper report.
Not only does it make it easy to send off a report, but it's packaged up very nicely, very easy for a client to read.
Yep.
Making everyone's life better, and it makes you guys look more like superstars, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, we are magicians, as it is.
All in all, we're a massive fan of this 1674 tester. Obviously, Fluke's got the reputation of being great at what they do, but they've smashed it out of the park with this. So, Dean, does this get you Tradie tough tick of approval?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Fantastic.
Sounds good. Guys, that's going to wrap up our tough test of the Fluke 1674 FC tester. It's been really great to test this. It's a great product. If you want to see more, go to the link below. We'll link Fluke's website. But tradies, work smarter, not harder. We'll see you on the next one in a week. Take care.